Using our database professionals will enable you to take data from a bunch of disparate sources, melt it together, put it in a consistent and valid database, let us manipulate it, pull it out for different report tables, apply it to different figure sets. We're able to extract data from PDF files, Excel tables, lab reports, any of that, kind of crazy different data source that you have, we can melt it together and get it in a database that you can then more easily access. The way that we do things in our workflows results in a 50% level of effort reduction, especially in terms of routine reporting procedures. Our data validation team has reduced level of effort by 30% using their access tools. So it really is a more cost-effective way to do your project. We use a lot of really innovative, but also really effective solutions for our clients. We're not innovating just for the sake of innovating, but we want the tools that we create to be effective solutions. One really amazing tool that our GIS team has developed is a JavaScript API where a web map is built on a JavaScript platform. You can add whatever data and layers you want into it, package it up, send it directly to the client. No login required, just a URL. We've also been using a lot of ArcGIS Online instant app builders to build web maps, kind of quick and dirty, to get that information displayed in a web map so the client can more easily toggle around. Our team loves using Python to come up with more automated procedures and reduce the level of effort required for figure generation, table generation. We've also been using Survey123, which is another Esri tool, more regularly for field sampling and streamlines our data collection to database pipeline. So our clients are often swimming in data. They've got well construction information, groundwater data, analytical data, and it's really hard to consolidate all of that into one place to make it understandable to a wide audience. Our practitioners are very skilled at melting all of this data together and picking out the pieces that are actually important to the client. We have a number of projects where we pull that data out of the database, depending on what the client is asking for, can upload it to SharePoint, create a visualization tool in Power BI, display it on a web map, and the client comes up with new insight that they weren't aware of before. And so it's really what we do. That's part of why using our data management professionals is so critical. We want to make data understandable and ensure the integrity of the data so that it can be properly communicated to a wide audience.